All right, what's going on, everybody? This is Steve's 1993 SP Jeter PSA7. We'll go ahead and copy the list. Go ahead and paste the list over there. Come down here and type live and get the show on the road. All right, current time is 4:03 p.m., 4:03 as well on the random, and 4:03 on the laptop. We're in aces, so we got to go 8 times. I've already copied and pasted, so let's get to going. All right, we have Travis after 1, Scott after 2, Garrett, Jay, Garrett, James. After 7, we have Garrett. Come down here, check the timestamp, 4:04, 4:04, 4:04, and 4:04 on the laptop. Last and final, good luck. Scott in the 11 spot. Congratulations, Scott. Here's the verification code, KQVBTE. And we are done. Current time of 4:04, 4:04, 4:04, and 4:04. So congratulations, Scott. Sorry to everyone else.